It's a new day, it's a new vlog. I am trying to not abuse or get angry, and people, it's already 7 a.m. and I did abuse. I don't abuse people, I just randomly say a word. As I was saying, the rickshaw cancelled, and this guy is going in another direction. The cab just didn't get booked. It's too early, so now I'm gonna go try to find a rickshaw, old school, find it myself, like an independent person. Yes, birds. My neck is still a little wonky. Wonky. So, as I was saying, I'm up since 4:30 a.m. I put an alarm. Now, mind you, this is my first alarm of the year because I haven't had to go anywhere or be on time or do anything. And I usually am up at a decent hour. My alarm rings and I panic because it is the song in which this man starts talking first. And I was like, who is this man? So, yeah. I also woke up a couple of times because I take it as a personal challenge that I need to wake up before you alarm. Birds are chirping, how sweat. I'm late, which I really don't like. But I knew in the bottom of my pit of my stomach and heart that I would be late. Chalo, now I'll find my rickshaw and then go. I found a rickshaw and I told him where I wanted to go. He's staring at me as though I'm asking him, as though I went to a panwala and asked him to transport me to a place. He was in shock. I'm like, I don't know the place's name, so I'm going to Victory Theatre. And he's like, Aapko jana hai. I was just like, what do you think? I'm making conversation. I swear, I am being so calm and patient right now. It's tremendous. I mean, can you understand how that would annoy me? Imagine you speak to someone and you tell them I want to go someplace and then they ask you, do you want to go there? Bro, like what? I'm finally in a rickshaw though. It's still not bright outside. I'm not late. I tried this new makeup trick. Do we like it? Do we love it? I'm at my location, Victory Theatre. I don't know, people say it's haunted. Let me know if you all know anything about this story. I'm just waiting for the photographer now. It's the 7th of February. As I was telling you, I did my makeup in a different way today. And I washed my hair. That's the only difference. Let me call him. How I deal with things. It's a little cold, but I took that scarf off because I'm preparing myself. I don't want to suddenly be like, oh, it's cold. Also, I carry that scarf for another reason. I'm planning on going to ISKCON temple and gotta cover up. So that's why. People are staring at me really weird because I'm all decked out. It's not even a walk of shame, it's just I'm shooting for something. I know how it could look odd. He said he's coming. Is there a cow? I love cows. Is it a cow though? No, it's a man. He's yelling. He's calling out to people for something. Yeah. He's selling something rather. So we are at the location. This is the first time I'm meeting and shooting with Yash.
Hi.
So we're really excited. This is the location. यहाँ how do you come here? यहाँ पे कैसे आते हैं? ये कौन सा आपको कैसे मिला ये location?
I just do a recce.
Okay.
मतलब shoot के पहले 1-2 दिन पहले I come and search for places aesthetically these places.
And आपने बहुत
And
काम
mark
किया है
that
ना
on
कैंप
map.
में,
Yeah.
बहुत शूट किए. So I'm really excited. I'll show you the final results also on the BTS. Telling Yash he should also start vlogging.
Yeah.
He's saying it's his New Year's resolution every year. But please tell him to start.
This year.
This year, no, now. You tell me your channel.
This week.
This week.
Yeah. Subscribe, like.
But no one is. मेरा बहुत कम देखते हैं. But it's okay. We can try.
Yeah.
Try till you succeed. We are done. We finished in I think 25 minutes. His idea of saving me was pushing me. The bike was coming. He does this. Okay, so we are done. We finished in 20 minutes, so it's really good. I'll see you guys later. We are at ISKCON temple. We made it. Hello.
Shravanam Kirtanam is going on all over the world. Some is hearing about some politician. These foolish people, simply for temporary so-called happiness, they are engaged in material activity. I am thinking of them only. That is my happiness. Otherwise, I have no happiness. Their birth, they are accustomed to so many.
कब कम हो सकता है ये उदाहरण क्यों दिया था कोई समझा सकता है
ये चेतना रहती है कि मैं शरीर हूँ शरीर नहीं हूँ और आत्मा हूँ तो ये राज होने का सवाल ही नहीं आता था. अगर देहा के ऊपर में हम अपने आप को देह समझते हैं तो ये राज होएंगे.
इसलिए जितना भौतिक दुनिया में शारीरिक चेतना में रहेंगे और अंतर करेंगे एक के प्रति उतना लोगों में दुख रहेगा और जितना शारीरिक चेतना कम रहेगा उतना दुख कम होते जाएगा है. लेकिन इसका एक सॉल्यूशन भी हो क्या है मद्गत चेतसा नैतान मद्गत चेतसा. तो प्रभुपाद जी एक तीन उदाहरण देते हैं कि कहते हुए कि किस प्रकार से भगवान के भक्त लोग भगवान के चरणों में मग्न होने के कारण उनको दुख कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ तो पहला उदाहरण कोई दे सकता है?
कैसे उनके पिता ही उनको इतने कष्ट पहुंचाते हैं, अलग अलग उदाहरण रूपा जी बताते हैं, जैसे हाथी के पैर के तले देते हैं, गर्म तेल में डालते हैं वगैरह, परंतु हमेशा भगवान के स्मरण में मग्न होने के कारण प्रहलाद महाराज वो सफरिंग को पार करते हैं। दूसरा नामाचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर जी का उदाहरण देते हैं कि वो उनका जन्म मुस्लिम परिवार में हुआ था, तो इसलिए काजी उनको कहते कि मुसलमान होते हुए भी आप कैसे हिंदू भगवान का नाम जप कर सकते हो, तो वो उनको जवाब देते हैं वगैरह। सब होने के बाद फाइनली उनको 22 बाजारों में पीटने की आज्ञा दी जाती है, तो एक तरीके से पीट के उनको मृत्युदंड देने का इरादा होता है, परंतु स्वयं चैतन्य महाप्रभु जो तब उनका अवतरण भी नहीं हो चुका रहता है चैतन्य महाप्रभु का, फिर भी चैतन्य महाप्रभु वहाँ पे उनके पीठ पे खुद ये होके उसको खुद झेलते हैं और हरिदास ठाकुर जी को उससे बचाते हैं। तो ये दो उदाहरण दिए थे।
तीसरा
जो उनकी प्रार्थनाओं में कहती है कि विपदस्तुता शश्वत तत्र तत्र जगत गुरु, कि हमेशा ही हमारे ऊपर ये विपदाएं आती रहे, क्योंकि जब ये विपदाएं आती हैं तो हमें हमेशा आपका स्मरण होता रहता है, और आपका स्मरण होने का अर्थ है कि पुनः हमें इस भौतिक जगत में जन्म नहीं लेना पड़ेगा।
हरि बोल।
Done with darshan, and I'm glad I came here because I asked Panditji and he said that I'm not supposed, I can drink water and I can eat fruits and I can eat sabudana, khichdi, and basically whatever you eat when you're fasting. Nirjala Ekadashi is once a year and I can eat today also until sunset, and I can drink water tomorrow before sunrise. And this one girl there told me that day after tomorrow is, I don't want to say it wrong, but basically it's a day that there's this, I don't want to say it wrong, it's the day the boar carried earth on its horns and saved our earth. So she said that tomorrow try not to drink water till 12. Technically you're supposed to do it day after, but if you do it tomorrow it's even better. So that's going to be my aim. It's been an amazing morning.